She is very determined to make you play with her. No matter what you do, she has to make your hand do something. Like, play with me, damn it! Mommy's not home, so I stuck with you. Could you be any more on me, dog? Like, play with me, damn it. Play with me. Play with me. Oh, I got this camera. Oh, I got to sniff the camera. Like, damn it. Play with me. Damn it. Damn it. You're fine. No. How do, you evil monkey? All you want is attention. You're as bad as a cat, but smellier and stinkier. What are we gonna do with you? Look, okay, you're getting closer. You got your hand on me. Now move the hand. Damn it. Oh crap, she's getting closer! It's like Godzilla, it's closer! It's Ursula! Ow. Are you done? Huh? Cassie? Cassie, are you done? Yeah, you're done. Oh, stand corrected. Yeah! She has some, look at that. It's like, Miss Overbite has an attractive sight.
score for Cena. People are actually going to see this, Cena. Oh, now I got your attention, huh? Yeah. I mean, I know I've been picking on you about your movie and all, but in all fairness, your rap album sucks too. Vicky Guerrero, maybe you might use an exhibition, but I'm calling it 3-0.
Cassie, it's finally done. This is a small one for her, too.